Whether you're planning your next wilderness adventure, prepping for a weekend road trip, or just want to level up your outdoor gear, this video is for you. Today, we're counting down 7 of the best outdoor tools that blend innovation, portability, and pure functionality. Whether you're fishing by the lake, cooking in the wild, or hitting the road, this list has something you won't want to miss. Links to all products are mentioned in the description below. Let's get started at number 7. Carbon Fishing Combo. A dream for anglers on the move, this telescopic spinning rod combo is crafted from ultra-durable carbon fiber, offering superb elasticity and a powerful load capacity of 3 to 8 kilograms. With sizes ranging from 1.8 to 3.6 meters and a compact closed length as short as 39 centimeters. This kit is made for backpackers and spontaneous fishers alike. Whether casting from shorelines, rocky outcrops, or narrow riverbanks, its portable design and 13 BB spinning reel make precision casting and reeling feel effortless. The ergonomic pad ensures comfortable grip during extended use, and the adjustable length provides the versatility serious fishers crave. Number 6. BRS Fire Stove. This mini powerhouse delivers a whopping 6,000 watts of heating output with its electronic blower system. Designed for efficiency, the firepower is adjustable and can boil 1 liter of water in just 1 minute, thanks to a clever oxygen flow system. Compatible with dry biomass like firewood or charcoal, it's a perfect companion for campers looking to go off-grid. Made from heat-resistant stainless steel, it supports up to 24 kilograms of cookware. The foldable structure, lightweight 627-gram build, and compatibility with both batteries and power banks make it ideal for everything from backpacking to emergency preparedness. Number 5. Fire Starter Stick. This little stick packs a fiery punch. Made from pine wood soaked in natural rosin, it's a reliable, weatherproof ignition source. Use a knife to scrape off some material and light it up. It ignites fast and stays lit. It's compact, simple, and eco-friendly. Just what you need in wet or windy conditions. Whether you're lighting a barbecue, campfire, or emergency heat source, this stick is a lifesaver when matches fail. Number 4. Lohascamping Gas Stove. With a mind-blowing 16,000-watt output, this 5-head desktop gas burner is no ordinary camping stove. It runs on butane, propane, or liquefied gas, whatever you've got, and comes with a built-in ignition device. Whether you're cooking for 3 or 5 people, this foldable, one-piece unit handles it with ease. Its copper and steel construction promises durability while remaining light enough for mobile setups. It's perfect for outdoor chefs who won't compromise on performance. Number 3. Car Phone Mount. This universal 17mm ball head car air vent mount by iButton is sleek, sturdy, and incredibly useful. It clamps tightly to your car's air vent using a metal hook system, providing a wobble-free experience even on rough roads. Designed for universal phone compatibility, this mount is a must-have for drivers who rely on GPS or like to stay hands-free. No charging features or flashy gimmicks, just solid, dependable support where you need it. Number 2. Bike Rack Mount. From West Biking comes this ultra-secure, roof-mounted vacuum suction cup bike rack. Made from aluminum alloy and rubber, it's available for both single and dual bike setups. It weighs just 1.9 kilograms for a single and 4 kilograms for the 2-bike version. Designed for quick release or bucket axle front forks, it's easy to install and reliable at highway speeds, though not suitable for panoramic sunroofs. Ideal for serious cyclists and casual riders alike. Just be sure to check for suction integrity every 4 hours for safety. Number 1. Roof Shower Tank. The Off-Road Shower Multi by Dutriex is a game-changer for car campers and overlanders. With options in 20-liter and 30-liter capacity, this PVC water tank is designed for convenience and durability. Mount it on your car roof and enjoy an outdoor shower anywhere, whether you're rinsing off after a surf, cleaning gear, or freshening up at camp. It's perfect for touring, picnics, and remote travel. Its water-resistant build ensures it stands up to the elements, while its sleek design makes storage simple. That wraps up our list. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more in-depth reviews and top picks. Until next time, take care.